So you're considering joining our September cohort of the Women's Health Coach Certification Program. Hi there, I'm Dr. Jessica Drummond, founder and CEO of the Integrative Women's Health Institute, and I want to tell you something very special that we have just for this cohort. First of all, we have our lowest available tuition on the Women's Health Coach Certification for those who enroll in this September cohort, which actually ends enrollment October 23rd of 2023. And on that day, we are going to be doing something very special that we haven't done in a long time, live and with you with my personal coaching. What we're going to be doing is we're going to sit down for half a day and we're going to map out exactly how to get you to your goals. First, we're going to define them. What is your career goal? Do you want to expand your existing practice to integrate coaching? If you already have a health or wellness practice, do you want to start an entirely new career doing just telehealth coaching or virtual coaching, retreats, in-person coaching, whatever you want? Are you looking to get a job in the rapidly expanding marketplace of health coaching that is growing year over year? We're going to help you map out exactly how to do that. And we're going to go deep into the nitty-gritty. Here's the thing. A lot of business coaching programs essentially will offer you a sort of step-by-step to six figures. You might have seen that marketing, right? But it's that step-by-step is following someone else's step-by-step, not taking into consideration your unique and specific goals of exactly what kind of practice do you want to build. What if you're building something you don't actually want to run or you don't actually want to do? That's not going to work. And what if you're not extroverted? What if you're not a speaker? What if you're not great at Facebook ads? We're going to help you navigate. There are hundreds of ways to successfully market a practice, to successfully market yourself into the right next job. And we're going to find those that align with what you like to do, with how you like to be in the world, with how you like to speak to people, if you like to use social media or not. None of these things are required. We'll find the things that work in alignment with how you are, because that's how your clients are, right? Some of your clients are not coming to big conferences. Some of your clients aren't reading health books. You don't have to do all the things, right? We just have to be in alignment with what you and your ideal client are looking to co-create when you reach your goals. So we're also going to help you get very clear on your ideal client avatar, the specific KPIs you need to be tracking to make sure you're successful on the path to your goals. And we're even going to teach you exactly how to celebrate your goals to support when you hit them, when you hit every milestone, which you will be doing over time here, to actually amplify the goal options that are available to you because of how your mind and body are aligned in this process. We can't muscle something that our body and mind are stuck in fight or flight or freeze around. We can't do that work if our body and mind are not on board. So exactly how we celebrate each milestone achievement helps move that process along. And there are lots of other tools that we'll talk about in the workshop. So this is your chance. If you enroll in the Women's Health Coach Certification Program in our September cohort, and we have limited spots here, we have 20 total spots total for people who want to enroll in our September cohort, because I'm going to be doing this live and I want an opportunity to coach individually each and every one who shows up for this workshop to make sure that you get your Women's Health Coach certification value right away, that you start using these tools, that you start getting a return on your investment right away. And I want to help you find what's really in alignment for you. What are your unique goals? How do your clients best need to be served to reach their health goals? We're going to talk about the details. This is not just some kind of fluffy workshop. This is getting you in alignment so that as quickly as possible, you can get a return on your investment as a women's health coach. So don't delay, enroll now in the Women's Health Coach certification so that you can join us for this live workshop. And if you can't be there live, that's absolutely fine too. We will be recording it and you can have access to everything. And if you still have questions, you're going to be coaching with me every single week of your entire Women's Health Coach certification journey. So we'll help you stay accountable to your goals week by week by week. Okay? So I look forward to seeing you there. And this is not the time to sit on the fence because you want to capture that fall energy, that back to school energy, so that you'll be moving right along in the direction of your goals by the end of this year. No need to wait. All right. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.